What's up guys, I'm Damien from Adapt and DIY, and today I will show you how I've made a potty area with Pallet. If you are new here, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon and let's begin. Before we start, let me show you the design and features of a potty. The potty is composed with two main frames, the top frame and bottom frame. The top frame is where the artificial grass and the metal mesh are fixed. The bottom frame is where the plywood sheet is fixed for drainage. I have decided to make it into frame so that it's easier for me to clean the artificial grass. Another feature is that I've added a removable tray to catch all liquids. Here is a quick view of the material that you will need to build this potty. The first thing I'm going to do is to cut two pallet boards in half. Once I've got all the boards, I can now mark the length and width of the frame. I've cut along the marking with my jigsaw. Now I can assemble the top frame. I've used 4 corner clamps to secure the frame square and drilled a pilot hole before screwing everything. Then with my polishing sander, I've polished everything. The artificial grass and metal mesh are fixed with a staple gun. I can now move to the bottom frame. I've marked each board individually and labeled them to make sure that the bottom frame and the top frame fits well. Once all are ready, I can assemble everything following the same process as the frame. I've decided to add two supports to prevent the mesh to bend. The growth of the support is cut with my jigsaw. I can now mark the slope of the plywood to ease all liquid to be drained. Then I've marked the plywood and cut it to size. With some scrap wood, I've fixed a couple of support blocks to secure the plywood. The drain pipe is marked, then I've trimmed the 4 mm. The plywood is then fixed to the bottom frame. To make the bottom frame water resistant, I've used a plastic membrane. The membrane is attached to the frame with staples, and then I've trimmed the surplus membrane. As I've mentioned in the design explanation, I wanted to add a removable tray. To be able to do so, I need to cut the board for the tray front. This will be used as a drawer. Then I've glued the tray to the drawer front with a glue gun. To complete the bottom frame, the two supports are fixed. We are now ready for the water test. As you may see, everything works very well. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and make sure to turn on the bell icon to get notified when I post a new video.